Compatibility. The headlight assemblies are compatible with 2003 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500 HD, 2500 HD, 3500, 2003-2004 Chevy Silverado 2500, 2007 Chevy Silverado 1500 HD, 2500 HD, 3500 Classic, 2003 to 2006 Chevy Avalanche 1500 2500s pickup, without body cladding, high beam bulb type, HB3 9005, low beam bulb type, HB4 9006. Bulbs are not included. Improved illumination. The integrated metalized reflectors of this headlight assembly increase light distance for better visibility, driving safety in any dusky conditions. Weather sealed. The fully sealed structure with solid silicone prevents moisture from being trapped inside the housing, provides reliable service in sorts of weather conditions such as rain, snow or dust storms. Impact-resistant tough. Constructed with durable polycarbonate lenses that give great protection against the abuse of road debris impact from branches on the trail, and the high-impact housing also better withstands shock and vibration for your off-road adventures. Direct replacement. Professional installation would be highly recommended. Come as a pair, including driver, left, passenger, right, side. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I like them and wear as expected, but it rained a couple days later and one of them got water in them. I like them and are bright and work great. How do I contact to get this resolved, or could I get email about this? Did anyone get a similar problem with this?